Let's see how to unfollow everyone on TikTok and clean up your following list. So first you have to open up your TikTok app and go to your profile. So here you will see all the accounts you are currently following. So now to unfollow them, you just have to hit on this manage option and then you can start selecting accounts one by one. Just tap to select the ones you just want to unfollow, and once you are done selecting, tap unfollow and confirm. And just like that, those accounts are removed from your following list. So if you are following a huge number of people, it's best to do this slowly. So just take breaks and unfollow a portion each day, and if you do it over 2 or 3 days, your following list will be cleared safely. But I'm gonna show you another option. You can reach out to TikTok support by from your profile, go to the hamburger menu and then go to settings and privacy. And from here, scroll down to help center, then tap on using TikTok and then go to see more. And here you have to find this option following and unfollowing. Now tap on need more help. And now from the chat box, you must have to describe what you actually want to do, and then TikTok will review your request and respond with possible solution. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.